Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump in.
First up is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. As a tech support expert, you'll help clients troubleshoot software, hardware, and network issues. Start by learning the basics of common operating systems and software. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the complexity of the issue. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need IT support. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy problem solving and want to tap into a growing industry. Next is illustration. If you love drawing and creating art, this skill is perfect for you. Businesses and individuals are always looking for custom illustrations for books, websites, and marketing materials. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Procreate, which are great for creating digital art. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per illustration, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy, or reach out to authors and businesses that need custom artwork. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Third is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and they're willing to pay for help finding them. As a lead generator, you'll research potential clients and provide businesses with valuable contact information. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io, which make it easy to find leads. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services, depending on the industry. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to businesses that need help with market analysis or content research. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose tech support, illustration, lead generation, affiliate marketing, or online research, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.